Hey everybody, welcome back to Layman Loans. In this video, we're going to see how you can negotiate your processing fee for all your loans. So firstly, we'll see what is a processing fee and how you can negotiate on that. So a bank or an NBFC actually charges an amount called as a processing fee in order to actually sanction a loan for you. So once you pay a processing fee, there is a high possibility that your loan is going to be sanctioned. All right. So the banks will charge your processing fee only when they are sanctioning a loan. So they'll not ask you for the entire processing fee if they are just looking to check your eligibility or like they're considering your application. That time they'll not charge the processing fee. They'll charge the processing fee if they are for sure going to sanction your loan. So what is this processing fee, up to what percentage it can be, and how you can actually negotiate and reduce the processing fee? That's exactly what you're going to see in this video. First and foremost, a processing fee is something which will vary from every loan. So for a personal loan, there's a different processing fee. For a loan against property, there's a different processing fee. For a home loan, there's a different processing fee. And there are processing fees which are a fixed processing fee, and there is a percentage variable processing fee as well. Let us consider a loan against property, for instance. If you are applying for a loan, there are multiple processes involved and there is a small fee which is involved in every stage. If you are applying for a loan in a particular bank or NBFC, first thing they'll ask you to pay a small initiation amount for them to log in your file to their actual server and consider your loan processing request. And this amount possibly is not a refundable amount at all. So assume they ask you to pay about 5,000 rupees or 7,000 rupees to log in your file and start the entire due diligence process. Second, they'll ask you for a small fee for legal process and PD, that is personal discussion. So it will be a small fee like a 3,500 or 4,000 rupees fee. So there are banks which waive off all these fees as well and collect as a whole as a processing fee only. But there are institutions which collect the processing fee in few installments. So they'll take this first fee, which is a fee to log in your request and start the entire process and do the due diligence, and second fee for the legal fee. After both of these is done, there is a component called as a processing fee which gets charged by the bank if they are ready to approve your loan. So assume you have applied for a 1 crore loan and the processing fee for the loan is say 1%. So 1% of the 1 crore is 1 lakh, and you can ask the bank to directly deduct that processing fee from the amount which they sanction. Before they credit it to you, they will deduct the processing fee and deduct and pay you the remaining amount, or they will ask you to pay the total amount and then they will pay the complete sanctioned amount. So you need to pay 1 lakh to the bank as processing fee. Only after that, they'll release the check of 1 crore, which is the sanctioned amount. In the other way around, the former case which we have seen, the bank will actually reduce the 1 lakh from the sanctioned amount and give you the check for 99 lakhs only. So, is it required to pay so much processing fee? It is not mandatorily required unless and until like it's mentioned and you cannot negotiate with the bank at all. Every fee which the bank is charging, you can always negotiate at different levels, and people who are at the decision making authority, they have the right to reduce or waive off a particular fee. In the case of a home loan, there are several banks which charge a flat processing fee of say 10,000-12,000 rupees or 15,000 rupees and process the entire loan. So if you are looking for 50 lakhs of home loan, they'll charge you a flat 10,000 or a 15,000 rupees of processing fee, and they'll not be charging you 1 or 2% of the actual sanctioned amount at all. Similarly, there are options where you can pay the processing fee in parts. You can pay a 50% processing fee once they sanction the amount before they cut the check, and remaining 50% when they are giving you the check or after they give the check to you. So based on this kind of flexibility, you can always negotiate how much or in what mode and in what tranches or splits you can pay this processing fee to the bank. Can you get a loan without any processing fee? I doubt you can. Most of the time, there is always a small processing fee involved, and this processing fee can range from 0.25% to as high as even 3%. But you have the ability to negotiate with the bank to reduce this particular processing fee. And always ask your banker to adjust this processing fee in the sanctioned loan itself. Because assume you have paid the entire processing fee and there is a clause that this processing fee is totally non-refundable, and at the end of the process, before they cut the check, the bank has rejected your bank loan and your processing fee is also non-refundable. What will happen? Literally your entire processing fee goes waste and you will not be able to get the loan as well. So never get into that situation at all. You can always ask the banker to reduce the processing fee from the actual amount which they are disbursing to you. And secondly, try to negotiate the processing fee to as little as possible. The best way to negotiate processing fee is to compare with different banks. When you are looking for a loan against property, do not just be confined to your home bank or any bank within your surroundings. Do check out different options. Look for a cooperative bank, look for a private bank, a government bank, and even NBFCs. Each one of them offer a different rate of interest and at very high competitive processing fee rates. So if you are able to show your banker that you have another offer from another NBFC or a company at 0.5%, they'll definitely consider reducing the processing fee from whatever they have kept. So assume your current banker is saying 2% processing fees you need to pay, but you have another banker which is giving you an offer at 0.5%, you can definitely ask the former banker that you can, unless and until you reduce the processing fee, you will not be able to go with you. So more than like the main reason for you to negotiate a processing fee is this amount is something which is given totally directly to the bank and you don't have any control over it. It is just a fees which you're paying. The lesser the fee, the better, because this is not a usable amount which you can invest onto your business or which you can use for your personal need. So this is a flat fee which you're paying to the banking institution. So this amount, as low it is, the better it is for you. So always consider negotiating the processing fee and pay your processing fee only after getting the disbursement, and it's mostly ideal to ask your banker to deduct the amount from the actual loan amount itself. So I hope this video is useful to you all, and please do consider reducing your processing fee as low as possible whenever you are applying for any loan. If you're looking for any guidance or assistance on applying for a loan and even negotiating with any bankers regarding the processing fee or so, you can always reach out to us in the link given below in the description and the comments. You will be more than happy to support you on how you can proceed further. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. Looking forward to connect with you all in the next one. Thank you.